today I am going to show you and also tell you what are the bad traits of the Filipinos. First is crab mentality. If I can't have this, neither can you. And this is because jealousy, or should I say envy. Duh! Second is Nengas Kogon, leaving our work unfinished or half-baked. Mga tapulan! So, sorry again. Now, third is mañana habits. Tomorrow. Why wait for tomorrow if we can do it today? Fourth, Filipino time, always late. Let me see my watch for a second. Oh no, one slight problem. I'm late for school. Bye-bye. Fifth is onion skins. We are so sensitive to insults. Six, excessive partying. Pwede bang pautang? Birthday ko kasi 5K lang. Ipapakain ko lang sa mga barkada. Seventh is colonial mentality. We love imported goods. Why can't we be proud in our own country? Aww. May I have a tomato? Oh, what a good joke. 8. Sale spy. OMG, it's sale!
Oh, no!
Minsan lang naman mag-sale. Bibilhin ko to. Sale mo na bilhin bago bayad sa bill.
Oh, no!
Sale kasi kahapon, naubos ang pera ko. 9. Bahala natin yun. Kamot may. Bahala na sa man. 10. Corruption. This is the sale here in our store. This is mine now. Yeah, this is mine.
What are you doing with my money?
And lastly is super horrible. Utang, and utang. Sige lang mo utang. Bisan dili importante. Bato-bato sa langit. Tamaan, huwag magalit. This may not be seen in all Filipinos, but in majority of us. So please guys, let's try to change them. I will be the one to scold you if you won't. Get it?
No.
You're joking, right?
No?
I hope you like this video and subscribe and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to smash that like button. Bye-bye!